Let's do some liner looks using bareMinerals Maximist Liquid Eyeliner. For a defined line, start in the center of the eye and use the side of the brush to glide outward in short strokes along your lash line, stopping where your lashes end. Complete the line using the remaining product on the brush from the inner corner towards the center of the eye, enhancing your natural shape. To build a cat eye look, flip the brush outward to extend the line past your outer corner, then connect to the defined line. Use the point of the flexible precision brush to perfect the line and build to the desired thickness. Finish with mascara for a maxed out eye look. A few tips to keep in mind. Don't pull the skin taut, you'll lose the shape of where the liner will actually sit on the lid. Keep eyes open and forward to see the most natural shape of the eye. And that's it. Thanks for watching.